You understand English,
but you cannot speak it.
and you have been living with this feeling for months.
Maybe even years.
You watch English videos every single day.
You know hundreds of words.
But the moment someone asks you a question in English,
Your heart beats faster.
your hands get cold,
Your mind goes completely blank.
and you say, "Sorry, my English is not good."
We know exactly how that feels.
And today, we are going to fix it.
Not tomorrow. Not next month.
Today.
But before we start, we need to tell you something.
Something your school never told you.
Something your teacher never told you.
Something nobody in your entire life has told you clearly.
Are you ready to hear the truth?
Because once you hear this, everything will make sense.
Your English is not the problem.
Your English is not the problem.
You are not stupid.
You are not slow.
You have simply never been taught how to speak.
And in the next few minutes, we are going to change that forever.
Let us tell you about someone. Her name is Sarah. Sarah studied English for 6 years in school.
She passed all her exams.
She watched English movies. She understood everything.
She thought, my English is okay.
Then, one day, she went for a job interview.
The interviewer smiled and asked,
Tell me about yourself.
4 simple words.
Sarah had answered this question 100 times in her head.
But now, in English, in front of another person,
She opened her mouth.
and nothing came out.
She did not get the job,
Not because she was not smart enough,
but because nobody ever taught her how to speak.
Does Sarah's story sound familiar?
If yes, this video is for you.
Because today, we are going to make sure that what happened to Sarah never happens to you again.
And we are just getting started. The most important tip is coming at the end. Do not leave.
Problem number 1.
You translate in your head.
Every single time you try to speak English, your brain does this.
Someone asks you a question in English.
Your brain immediately switches to your own language.
You think of the answer in your language.
Then you try to translate every single word into English.
And by the time you are done,
The conversation has already moved on.
and you said nothing.
This is not your fault.
This is how schools teach English. They teach you to translate, not to think in English.
Here is the truth. Human conversation moves at 150 words per minute.
But translation takes 3 to 5 times longer.
So you will always be too slow until you stop translating.
So here is the fix, and it is simpler than you think.
Stop trying to make long, perfect sentences.
Start small. Start short.
Instead of saying, I am going to the market because I need to buy vegetables and groceries for tonight.
Just say, I am going to the market.
That is a complete sentence. That is real English. That is enough.
Now, say these after us, out loud, right now.
I am going out.
I need water.
I do not understand.
Give me a second.
You just spoke English. Did you notice that?
Problem number 2.
You are waiting to be perfect.
You tell yourself, I will speak when my English is good enough.
That day will never come.
Because speaking is what makes your English good, not the other way around.
Think about babies learning to walk.
Does a baby wait until it is perfect before it tries?
No. It stands up, it falls, it tries again.
And one day, it walks.
Not because it became perfect, but because it never stopped trying.
Your English is the same.
Give yourself permission to be imperfect.
Because broken English that is spoken is 1,000,000 times better than perfect English that stays silent in your head.
And here is something that will shock you.
When you speak broken English, do you know what people actually think?
They think, wow, this person is brave. This person is trying.
Nobody laughs at someone who is trying. They respect them.
Problem number 3.
You learn words, but not phrases.
You know the word hungry, but do you say, I am hungry?
You know the word confused, but do you say, I do not get it? Can you explain that again?
Think of it like cooking.
You have flour, sugar, eggs, butter.
But if you do not know the recipe, you cannot make the cake.
Words are ingredients. Phrases are the recipe. You need both.
So from today, every time you learn a word, learn a full phrase with it.
Say these with us right now.
I do not get it.
Give me a minute.
I am not sure about that.
That makes sense.
I will think about it.
Every time you say a phrase out loud, it goes deeper into your brain.
Problem number 4.
You watch English, but you never speak English.
And we need to be very honest with you right now.
Watching this video will not make you speak English.
Listening to podcasts will not make you speak English.
Only one thing will make you speak English.
Speaking English.
We know you have nobody to practice with.
So talk to yourself.
Before you say that sounds crazy, the world's greatest athletes talk to themselves before every competition.
The world's greatest speakers practice in front of mirrors alone.
Talking to yourself is not crazy. It is what winners do.
When you wake up, say out loud, "Good morning. I am tired. I need coffee."
When you are eating, say, this food is good. I am hungry.
When you are walking, say, I am going to the shop. It is cold today.
This is called narrating your life in English, and it is one of the most powerful habits you can build.
Now listen very carefully, because what we are about to say is the most important thing in this entire video. Are you still with us? Good. Because this one thing will make or break your English journey.
It is not about how you practice.
It is about how often you practice.
Consistency.
5 minutes of speaking every day is 30 hours of practice every year.
But most people do 2 hours once a week and then nothing for 10 days.
And that is why they never improve.
Your brain learns like water dropping on a stone.
One drop does nothing. But 1,000 drops every day eventually cuts through the hardest rock.
5 minutes today.
5 minutes tomorrow.
5 minutes every single day.
Not perfect, not impressive.
Just consistent. Just daily. Just you choosing to speak.
We want to say something to you now. Not as a YouTube channel.
As people who genuinely care about you.
You have been carrying this for a long time. This embarrassment. This frustration. This feeling of being stuck.
Watching others speak English confidently and wondering, why not me?
You are not behind. You are not broken. You are not too old.
You simply needed someone to show you the right way. And today, we hope we did that.
So right now, go to the comments and write 3 words.
I will speak.
Say it out loud. I will speak.
Say it like a promise. I will speak.
Because you have been silent long enough.
Your voice is too important to stay hidden.
Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker was once exactly where you are right now.
The only difference between them and you is that they did not stop.
So do not you dare stop.
Subscribe to I'm a English Routine. New episodes every week. Real English, real confidence.
Share this with one person who needs to hear this today.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
Catch you later.